Peppa Pig, new shoes. Moo! Peppa Pig, new shoes.
Hee boom boom boom.
Woo! If you like Peppa Pig stories, don't forget to like and subscribe. Or for other stories as well. Bye! Woo! Peppa and George have been playing in the garden. Now it is time to come inside. Peppa, says Daddy Pig, where are your shoes? Oh no, Peppa gasps. I've lost them. Peppa runs back out to the garden. She can't find her shoes anywhere. They really are lost, she cries. Don't worry, Peppa, snorts Daddy Pig. Your shoes were getting a bit old. We'll buy you a new pair, says Mummy Pig. Oh, hello. Mummy Pig and Peppa go to Miss Rabbit's shoe shop. Mummy, asks Peppa, can my new shoes be red? Of course they can, replies Mummy Pig. Hello, says Mummy Pig. We would like to buy some new shoes for Peppa. Red ones, shouts Peppa. Please? Miss Rabbit nods, then lifts down a box from the shelf. Miss Rabbit opens the box. Here we are, she says. Red ones. Peppa tries the shoes on. They feel just right. New red shoes, she giggles. Hee hee. As soon as Peppa gets home, she rushes into the living room. Daddy, Daddy, she shouts, look at my new shoes. They are red. I say, says Daddy Pig, they are very smart. Do you like my new shoes? Peppa asked George. Snort, snort. George likes Peppa's new shoes. Everyone likes Peppa's new shoes. Peppa likes her new shoes so much she doesn't want to take them off, ever. She even wants to wear them in the bath. Hee hee hee, Peppa giggles as she plays in the bubbles. Oh, hello. Peppa and George get into their pajamas. They start to brush their teeth. Are you sure you don't want to take your shoes off now? Says Mummy Pig. No, thank you, says Peppa. I'm even going to wear them in bed. In the morning, Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig and George put on their boots. They want to jump in muddy puddles. Peppa frowns. Oh, she is still wearing her new red shoes. Splish, splash, splish. Peppa runs inside and comes back out wearing her boots. Now she can have fun without getting mud on her new red shoes. Ho ho! Hee hee! Splash, splash! If you want to jump in muddy puddles, she says, you must wear your boots. The end. Hope you enjoyed that story. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Peppa Pig stories and more wonderful stories. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.